Previously on Ghetto Love.
Well, I don't want to then I put me on a very
Ukasa ya nkebe onu na big mama area ha o. O se di echi.
but somehow we along wrong.
Yes, man.
Oh no, dear me, pussy. Say how.
How old are you?
Very soon.
Very soon, let me.
Very soon.
So I wouldn't have to take care of him.
Hey,
I probably ruined
He said I should come back in 2 weeks' time.
Oh boy. Don't you get tired of excuses? Don't you get tired? I mean, when are you going to get time for me?
Papa, when I turn your money, I won't quite say what done for the hour. I'm not. You have a teacher in India.
Mathematics. My only girl in a balance for how?
Well, go.
4 6.
Scan out the short tomorrow.
Let's see, I'm finding you bottom of the shift. Take it away. Who's got some day on Unimobia? We are
Penny Yanubia, what a Penny Yanubia. At 25, no, if he come. If he come,
it will come. They call me.
he call you what time?
Like 8 a.m. then.
8 a.m. down.
8 a.m. Yeah.
Yeah. That's all right. Look, I'm on my way to the office, so you don't need to worry, okay? Freeman? Freeman?
Hey.
Freeman? Freeman? Freeman?
Daddy. Daddy.
Freeman?
Daddy. Are you okay? Jesus Christ, where's my car keys? Oh, God. So what really happened? Sister, I'm a PWC and more encouragement. We all have our team frame. Can you believe that I was so nakuma? Untimin can huntimin she. Hey, sister. Now they didn't know fast. Oh, fun and I say me beside no siasa. I was so cojibi. I mean, him swearing cogia. Oh, free man. then yen I no refer do also ka wona we get fast kwajima and it's all that way should be any also make sure nipa no no nkwanente o nyini ntia na refer no also ka make sure say what kwaji
Just say a hard dream. I won't lie you. A hard dream. It's serious. You don't even know where it strikes. You don't know when it starts. Oh, why not you must shoot because when him so only 2 hours wouldn't need say best sonny moon, saying sonny moon. Hey, they say them young crashes me on.
Men kasasa.
Hey, no, come so fear them saying how they can be trying.
Men kasasa. Okay. When Timmy kasa, he'll be fine. Let's pray for him. Fine.
Don't tell you so, Bissana. Oh, no, hoye. Depends what about Timmy, do Timmy, it say, it's Miss Sonny Moa on Cassan, home put your Eh?
No, but one.
Sister, I don't know.
Oh, God. Good man, see.
AKABENEZER. Let go.
Wagwa. Plenty chips, so perewa.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, what's up, Chiami? Oh, perewa.
But I'm sure
Yeah. Yeah, Ben.
Or your tum or me, Abby Manino.
Yeah. What's the media, Bemalo? Unia Bemane, yeah. I'm visiting by a job home.
But your own, Nana.
Only an ass led, man. Ubronia to sell where the Unia Quibini. What a smile.
Missing me, Abby Manino, patronim, Nana.
Minimia be Bobo.
Patron Bobo.
Yamala Yana Oka.
Darby.
I have been choice a hanoti.
I mean, Kai, but then patronim, Mrs. Shano, maybe Shano around Hannes, but I mean, Kai baby pot some Beshano.
Tuntu.
Patron, Nimu do.
Oh, do that. Was King Color new crowded. Where a fresh girl at? Where sure?
I'm
sure. Freya, I have no swooning, was sister high upon some devil. Upon some folk one.
But your friend, bro.
Yeah. Oh, smart. Made me pen a coffee. I told you. I don't go Freya, I am Lanocasu. Fresh girl. Hey, madam, I don't know what to do, sir. Give me this. Look at me, son.
Who you there?
My first after Panina Minyao, and I'm Mikaisa and Bishel her, baby, Timba Shell.
Now, what feminine when you're mere? Abede.
I'm Besame cousin.
I
mean, we are going on the Dimitri.
I do up now.
My order the VI fine, sir.
I drop in on my.
Shall order between me a chair, my
temper with Jinamu. Sure. Move. Boys, you're 4K. We say not go up here to me now, so don't cut.
1 and 2 and Sure, Massa, Ben, yes, I know.
You can see every
share. I would have been considered back to what the other uncle baby. One down there, 7 now, and make us on. Massa, Sayabaya,
Sayabaya, Benjamin, I was here be I walk on that.
Would be our chance? I find Saram Diminia Baba, Mam. Just 7 now, can I call coach school? Me try inside one. Hey, I draw. Hurry.
Mama Quine, and baby, and I met to know, or more ye me through Hono and Sana. me makwan. Ti me be catch yourself say me di madam for be chiko Eastern region. Na kam ne nkotina ye be school na kam asamba. It's not me be catch you.
Who di wadam for BH and then I Eastern region?
I don't know me wo me roommate. My roommate.
I dey feel and say o see you near money free one. Oh how?
Aye.
Shit. Now, what I'm for no until dinner chine na ko Eastern region. Oh, you good?
Oh, you good. Ni mama ni papa nyina wo ho no ntino.
Mr. Wo kono sho ho so ye o. O ti dey make a tro no. Ah? Wo kono sho ho so ye nko ye fucking lie bia. Ah, ma habiem o frɛ me na wan nyame a. O di tai me a me be hu okwa me frɛ wo. Me pese o be ba habiem.
Ah, when you be agye won se me kwa aba man kra.
O be baby bahasa obi ano be taba sa no so die no.
Yes, sorry. Yes, sorry. Yes, Abba.
Sisi ono wadam fo na eko.
Pachai.
Try me neighbor. Tiwi. Lefako. Oti. Ma habim. O frɛ me na wan nyame a. Me be hu me squad me frɛ wo. Oti. So ho so you. Ah. Ko.
Yeah.
Ko. Ko opia frɛ wo kwan no so a boys na go no frɛ wo nkɔkɔ.
Ba me dey shame so be free bia.
Obeshe kaba eno na afre ni bia. Why?
Yeah.
Ana wo life tisa.
Yeah, I'm sure. The matches be at one. Now we are now person beto matches spread do say me the matches be at me hu ade.
Bisa Amanda, bisa my wife, bisa Amanda, we bia na wono. Bisa Amanda.
Musa na mo ni umbeja abu ni.
Bisi bisa Amanda, me fa wo lighter, me do lighter kwai.
Matches two ana mafa. You so jakura na mababi.
Ola mo da sole a matches lighter nkwa na wo madwene musa, je so mo be hihye ni nti, ha? The bia why time. The bia Vandam why time.
My time and my time.
This is why time.
Like you see what you. I will try to shock you any time. I really wish.
Kabere Vandam. Hey, asa. Kabere.
Now, she say I would him said the museum. Me who kete say 30 years you talking, you know.
Vandam, I ask you wundi wate. Kaka ya dade kinka, kaji.
E odeke kan o ze gumbe so ba.
Kaka sama just minute.
You be civil abo hwe mo.
O be civil abo me show. Me joga. O block.
Blocking no. Hey.
Guys, sorry. I'm going inside. That be all right.
Easy. Put him red.
Yes, doctor. Yes, I mean, I'm just happy that he's responding. Yeah. Oh, not really. Not really, yeah. Thanks so much. That's it. And I think that I'll be coming to see him here. Yeah. Thank you. And I'll take her back. Yes. Thanks so much. Bye. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye. Baby.
Babe, why the long face?
It's Daddy again.
What's wrong with him?
He's been admitted.
I hope he's okay.
Yeah, according to the doctor, he's responding, but it was serious. Yeah, it's been about 2 days now. He's been there for 2 days, yeah.
And I don't know about it.
You are always busy. You are always running around.
A simple text message would do. Huh? I'm the man in your life, so let me know what is going on. It's your dad you are talking about here.
Baby, I get it, but there wasn't time to actually do calls, or you don't know the severity of the whole thing. It was very serious.
So, okay, listen. Let's go see him tomorrow, okay?
You kidding me?
What?
That would be nice.
Yeah, it's your dad. Let's go see him tomorrow, okay? Oh, I'm worried.
So are you staying so we go tomorrow?
Oh, about staying. I have a couple of things back at home I need to take care of. Listen. I won't have the whole of tomorrow for you, okay? So we'll go and see your dad tomorrow.
Okay.
You'll be fine, okay? Sorry. Don't cry.
It's just been me running around, back and forth at the hospital, getting drips, getting this.
Sorry.
It's, hey.
Sorry. You should have said something to me. I mean, I can't watch you go through all this stress by yourself. See, you look stressed. Instead of you looking
eyes.
beautiful,
I haven't even slept
you look
though.
stressed.
Yeah, I was there. Do you know the time I left the hospital yesterday? I haven't had any good sleep in 2 days.
I mean, why am I hearing of this thing now? I just don't get it.
Stop. Oh, you're from our offer. Now you're coming to complain. That's
a text message or
text message. And I dare see me pentend me friend. I can't. I dare share I was a text message.
You are supposed to be looking beautiful for me and not stressed. Don't be stressing like that. Come here. That'll be fine, okay?
Thank you.
That'll be fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's your boy String on this one. I'm rolling. I'm rolling 24/7 on it. We killing it on it.
Hey. Ajua. Nada oye de waha.
Me share Brian.
It's nothing.
Me share Brian and me sir around. Phone being on Mukacham say. Out na hamisi. It's me.
Oh.
Me share so ha.
No han mo see an okufio. Now then, I won't give you one.
ABABIO, me be send on person about share me. Me friend piano mama share no baby.
Okay. Dating now you as usual. Scammy boy. Hey, now we are calling. Maybe I want you to do one with me boy and your chat is behind your kakran for your life. I would be just all bra. You see I will be so will you. So will you. Obey them. Hey, me time me nya about 12 years na me free na me share say me street. When you never say would there be na me bra. Hey, nice girl, koko fine. Ona come wa me say lie betimi akoso. Be just all bra. Sorry kwai. Oba me ka kire no.
Achira mate. Me das.
Yeah, when you go sa be watching kwai. Eh bia me bra. Kwa na wo bra. Hey. Bro, so John Semna no kakra bia no aso kakra na aso. What yes see our fine fa. On se media shop for what are about nada. Oh.
How are you?
Fine.
I can see. And now, you're getting much stronger. Do you still want to be here or you want to go home? Wait me, your bed is starting not trying up.
Really?
I ate to cook or somewhere.
Okay.
I feel so from there now. Maybe face any here now. Maybe check the BB and the BP near them.
Okay.
Every morning, be answer making sure say, about team and anti-compound so with birth fitted.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
And then put my head there. No, so you drew. You be heal a lot of things because the only you know, any fear not connecting. No, say at the same time. The stress no, too much. Tomorrow, I want to tell you, Masumana.
Okay.
Aside that, they were okay.
But Nintron, so are you ready?
I don't want to be by your search.
Okay.
Yeah, that's yes. Dad, we be any more.
Patch.
I mean, jam with you.
No,
I miss mommy so much. I wish she was here to take care of you. I mean, at this testing times.
I do miss her too. But bear in mind, a strong person is the one who takes the most difficult decisions. Yes. And learn to close some windows, even if it gives the best of views.
I just wish she was here. I mean, to take care of you, especially if I'm not around. Like... You'll be fine, yeah? So how's Lenny? It's okay, I mean... That's the only thing I can say. It's getting better. I wonder, what did you say, Aaron? Maybe you're kind of a sort of. And then, can you believe that? Obi and Obama, not problem and to Saba, I paid the whole, and you know I'd leave here alone with him. Oh, Freboy, yeah. Oh, hi, Frema. Oh, okay. Mesafro is here. Me meeting get to Mesafro. After hours, I would have to call him back and remind him that you said you were going to call. Me refi. Oh, Mesafro. Oh, Frema Mefro is here. Do you know how long it's been? When you don't see how Mary Baba. What? I'm telling you. Sister, wow, sir, am I explaining how serious this whole thing is to you? Abema unu oba wo wonim se me papa penalty na problem ente saba unti mimpo manfa wenimpo ma me hwe say what? Yeah, everyone hasn't been here. Amanda, unti mimpo na phone odi an konfa phone mpo anopa bi an konfrem mpo bisa so how are you coping? It's just you. How is he doing? Na me ana no me who say boy no. I don't know. Him papa ya refuse a year me say no. Because it doesn't make sense. Why would you not care the same way I care about you? Why would you not show that little care? Oh, maybe what to say at least quite bang. Yeah, someone. Woman. How everyone guy now? A relationship with someone today, and I'm in Pacific can be no relationship as some woman. I mean, no relationship as my Aaron, but now I'm not found who sincere at your kind now. Messi this time around in a day. This time around, the dear chairman, me papa yari, and mania me family, the dear chairman. Oh. Because I say a yakoye trained the BSO here be there. You see the agency he calls, you see how agent he calls, and then how I say Nina intentia oh way Missy Ukaso Kronkrobet catches obishia. I did you here. But Papa Yare, it's a matter of life and death. You couldn't even show concern. It's not really my family watching you because relationship is one way dear. It's like I am pushing and he's not even making an effort. Does it make sense? Yeah, na mitrimont name was sad kind. Akoye that's semunti. You know what? Let's just concentrate on that for now. Okay. Forget about Aaron. If he wants to come here, fine. If he doesn't want to, shouldn't be a problem. Mimi, I don't even bother to call. I'm waiting. So my only concern is him. He should get better. He should be fine. And then from there, no. Aaron dear, last same day. It's after my cry. This is my cry now. I focus on that. So for now, why? Aaron last same day. Secondary matter. Why?
Next on Ghetto Love.
Your mother is smiling at me. Behind you.
Mother? No one is too busy. You definitely would have time for things that are important to you.
Don't say that. Come on.
Get out. Oh, here be on a life. One of my best ways, man. You go in there and act as a boyfriend.
That's not rubbish.
I direct swag one day. Tell me know that a fierce light in a Ghana. Me I link up with some girl them. She change my life and spec it up for me. Me can't make the girl them move out from my life, you know. We are good here and well love. You see me? Almighty, I don't know inspiration.